This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for today, Friday, July 5 at 10:30 p.m. local time. Following are the major headlines for today. Seminar for staff members of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Greening campaign underway in the southern region. Around 40 people killed in an attack on central Mali village. And Italy's Etna roars with spectacular cascades of lava. On your local reports, the National Association of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities organized a seminar for staff members of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to develop their understanding of citizens with intellectual and developmental disabilities, as well as to outline the association's objectives and mission. According to the presentation at this seminar, the objectives of the association include enhancing public understanding of disabilities, ensuring the well-being and rights of disabled individuals, creating opportunities to improve their livelihoods, and providing services tailored to their needs. The presentation also highlighted that the association currently has over 5,000 members and provides active educational services to citizens with intellectual and developmental disabilities from 12 schools in the central region, 5 in the southern region, 3 in the Ansaba region, and 1 each in the northern and southern Red Sea regions. Ms. Eritrea, chairperson of the association, stated that the association is earnestly working to support disabled citizens in all aspects of their lives and is organizing sustainable awareness-raising programs for the public. On your last local report, Mr. Mikael Berhe, representative of the Forestry and Wildlife Authority in the southern region, announced that over 2.2 million tree seedlings from 11 nurseries are ready to be planted across 11 subzones in the region as part of the Greening Campaign 2024. Mr. Mikael further stated that out of the 34 types of tree seedlings, 72.2% are eucalyptus trees, 20.5% are indigenous, and 7% are other types. The planting program will be conducted by the public, members of the Defense Forces, and through the Student Summer Work Program. It is expected to cover around 896 hectares of barren land. He also called on all participants to strengthen their participation in the implementation of the program and urged concerned administrators to support and encourage the public. This year's Student Summer Work Program will involve 5,640 high school students. Alongside soil and water conservation, they're expected to plant 115,000 tree seedlings. The viewers, do stay tuned for international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Unidentified armed men have killed around 40 people in an attack on a village in central Mali, local officials said on Tuesday. The attack took place on Monday in the village of Djigibombo in Mopti region, one of several areas in Mali's north and center where jihadist groups linked to Al-Qaeda and Islamic State have been active for over a decade. The officials did not identify the attackers and no group has yet claimed responsibility. It was not possible to reach the army spokesperson for any comment. Violence has spiraled in West Africa's Central Sahel region since the insurgencies took root in Mali and spread into neighboring Burkina Faso and Niger, killing thousands of people and displacing millions more. On today's final report, Etna's chasm crater was back in action on Tuesday after a 4-year silence, with vigorous explosions and glowing shreds coming out from the top of the volcano. At around 3,000 meters of altitude, the volcano showed off a spectacle of its unusual Strombolian activity, with a majestic cascade of lava with magma flowing inside the new crater called Bocca Nova, or New Mouth in Italian. The volcanic activity from the 2 craters on the new cone has progressively intensified, allowing the cone to grow very rapidly. Etna and Stromboli are the most explosive volcanoes due to the composition of the magma. The 3,330-meter-high volcano Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, is believed to have the longest documented history of eruptions among all volcanoes, with records dating back to as early as 425 before Christ. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, viewers, and now a recap of the major headlines. Seminar for staff members of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Greening campaign underway in the southern region. Around 40 killed in an attack on central Mali village. And Italy's Etna roars with spectacular cascades of lava. That was it for today, viewers. Thanks for watching.